This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on. Let's make my favorite high protein kale salad. All right, so we got our kale. Now what I like to do is I like to take these stems out of this kale because I don't want to chew on the stems. So I normally just take those out, look for those, and take them off. So we're gonna add some purple cabbage. Now purple cabbage is packed with antioxidants, but it's super good and super healthy. So it'll give us a nice color as well as some great nutrition. I'm going to add some red onions. Now, red onions are also a good source of probiotics. So in addition to having a ton of antioxidants, you're also going to get some gut healing properties with these red onions. And we got those good old carrots, which we know are good for your eyes, but also carrots are great for your skin. So if you want to have glowing skin, get some carrots. All right, so I'm going to move this over and we're going to mix up all of our ingredients. Make this salad delicious. Now we have our base. Now let's add some seasoning and some avocado oil. Then we're going to massage it all up. So I'm adding some Italian seasoning. Got some of that good old cumin. Nutritional yeast. Now, if you're not familiar with nutritional yeast, it tastes very cheesy. So if you're a cheese person, you're going to love this. Plus, it's packed with protein and it has vitamin B12. So we're going to add some avocado oil. And then we're going to massage and all the ingredients. And the reason you want to massage the kale is because kale can be a little tough. And this will allow it to digest better, and it'll just soften it up. So just massaging all of those ingredients. Look at that salad coming alive. The kale starts to, as you soften it up, it starts to kind of shrink. Then we're going to add some chickpeas. Now I like this brand of chickpeas because number one, it's very low in sodium. It only has 10 grams of sodium. And if you notice, a lot of canned products has a whole lot of sodium. So you want to make sure that if you're going to get something in a can that has low sodium, and also you want to make sure that it's non-BPA, because BPA is what they line some of the cans with, and it contains toxins. So we don't want to put any toxins in our body. So this is one of the brands that I like. It's low sodium and it doesn't have any chemicals in it. So we're going to add some of this for the protein. Then we're going to add a little guacamole, give you that healthy fat. Then we're going to add some pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with protein, so add some of those. Then we're going to add some dried cranberry to give it a little sweetness. And so we're going to add some hemp seeds. Now 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds give you 10 grams of protein. So we're going to add that. And there you have it. That's your high protein kale, spicy kale salad with over 35 grams of protein. Let's see how it tastes. It's hot, spicy. It's got that sweetness to it. Yeah, go make you some.